So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to take a CSV file and import it into Google Sheets. So you may have uploaded a CSV file to Google Drive, and then you're trying to figure out how to get it into Google Sheets. And so you're like, oh, maybe I just open it with Google Sheets, but then it's in a different file, and then you end up copying and pasting. And so I'm going to show you how to import it directly into the Google Sheet. And so if you go to File, Import, and then we can go ahead and select that file here, or if you want to upload it directly from your computer, you can browse here and find it on your computer. So we already have it uploaded to Google Drive, so we'll just go to Recent, or you can search in My Drive and then Insert, and then you'll see that we have a number of different options. So we can create a new spreadsheet, we can insert new sheets, and this will insert new tabs in the sheet with that data. We can replace the spreadsheet, which will actually replace all the data in our Google Sheet, so that's probably not the option you want either. You can replace current sheet, which is going to replace the current tab that you have selected with all the data from the CSV. You can append to current sheet, which means if you already have some data, it's going to add that CSV file to the bottom. Or you can do replace data as selected cell, which is going to paste the CSV starting wherever your cursor is. So let's start with just insert new sheet here, and this will create a new tab with that data. So you can see we already had the data in here, and so we're going to quickly modify this to demo some of those other options there. So let's look at inserting at a certain spot. So let's open this up. Let's do this replace data as selected cell. So you can see our cursor is in A8, and so if we click import data now, you can see it starts at 8 and goes down from there. And so we can select wherever on this page. Let's go back to import, grab our file again, and this time let's append to current sheet. And then you can see it starts here and goes down. Now it does include the title, and so you may want to delete this just to make sure it's clean there. But otherwise, that is how that works. And then finally, let's look at what happens if we do the replace current sheet option. And so you can see we have some data on this tab. If we do replace current sheet and then we click import data, you can see what we had got erased and then it overwrote it with the data from the CSV. So that is it for today's video. I hope that helps you in your projects when you're trying to import CSV files into Google Sheets and understand which options that you want to use. Thanks for watching and have a great day.